Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is marketing. What is marketing? Definition, benefits and strategies. Today we are discussing marketing. Marketing is the process of getting potential clients or customers interested in your products and services. The key word in this definition is process. Marketing involves researching, promoting, selling, and distributing your products or services. This discipline centers on the study of market and consumer behaviors, and it analyzes the commercial management of companies in order to attract, acquire, and retain customers by satisfying their wants and needs and instilling brand loyalty. This is marketing. What is definition of marketing? The definition of marketing. The definition of marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. Today, marketing is something that every company and organization must implement in its growth strategy. Many companies use marketing techniques to achieve their goals without even realizing it, as they work to promote themselves and increase sales of their product or service. These days, marketing is one of the key aspects of business. People often do not know exactly what marketing is, and when asked, they define it as selling or advertising. While these answers are not wrong, they are only a part of marketing. There are many other aspects of marketing like product distribution, promotion, designing and creating materials like landing pages and social media content, improving customer experience, doing market research, establishing market segments, and much more. Marketing is very broad and encompasses all the strategies that help a company, brand, or individual achieve their objectives. The 4 P's of marketing. According to E. J. McCarthy, the 4 P's of marketing are a simple formula for identifying and working with the essential elements of your marketing strategy. Product. Having a product is key and is the root of all things marketing. A product could be anything that a company offers consumers to satisfy a need. The best thing to do is to decide on your product or service based both on needs and motivations of consumers and how the product would benefit the consumer rather than on the object's physical characteristics or attributes. Place. Strategic mechanism. Locations can be anything from an online store to a channel of physical stores across multiple towns or countries. The goal of the distribution strategy is to enable potential clients to have easy access to your products, services, as well as offer a good experience throughout the purchasing process. Price. How you price your products and services is an extremely important part of the marketing strategy. This factor affects other factors such as the margin you hope to obtain, what target market do you want to appeal to, and what purchasing power do you consumers have. Do you want to enter the luxury market or the mass market? The company's financial goals. How does the competition price their products and what possible product substitutes are there? Trends and fads. Increasing your price in order to give a better perception of quality. Promotion. This refers to all the marketing and communication that is done in order to showcase the benefits of your product or service within the market. This is how you increase sales. What does marketing do for your business? Marketing can help your business in countless ways, but let's take a look at a few of the important, impactful ones. Number one is raising brand awareness. This is important because it gets people acquainted with your brand and the products or services you provide. It also makes you memorable to customers who can begin to trust your brand, become loyal clients, and tell their network about you. Number 2, generating traffic. Growing the number of visitors to your site means getting more qualified leads. Lead scoring can help determine this and ultimately increasing your sales. An effective marketing strategy will help you through this process. Number 3, increasing revenue. Every business wants to increase their sales, and marketing can help achieve this goal through a variety of strategies like optimizing your website and SEO, creating email campaigns, performing A/B tests to pinpoint the best strategy for you, and much more. Number 4 is building trust in your brand. Creating a high level of trust in your brands leads to customer loyalty and repeat purchases. This not only increases revenue but also leads to great reviews both online and by word of mouth, which is still one of the most effective types of promotion. 5 is tracking your metrics. Metrics are incredibly helpful when it comes to creating your marketing strategy. They not only drive the strategy and help track its progress, but also inform what can be adapted or adjusted to continually optimize your campaigns. Different marketing strategies. Marketing is not just only single strategy but rather a combination of many different techniques and tactics. Below we have listed some essential marketing strategies that you should know about. Click on the red link to learn more. Marketing plan. This is the marketing plan. Discover what a marketing plan is, why you need to design. This is the digital marketing. Digital marketing is a discipline of marketing which focus on deploying a strategy. Direct marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, viral machine marketing, performance marketing, inbound marketing. These are the some different marketing strategies we can use.